you watch too many videos about CG compositing on YouTube to improve your 3D renders but end up realizing it's very complicated and the software prices are too high, don't worry, because I have a free course for you where you learn complex compositing workflows step by step, breaking them down into simple language so even beginners can understand everything. The best part is the software I'll be using is completely free, unlike paid programs like Nuke or After Effects that cost thousands of dollars. Although you'll find plenty of videos about compositing, none seem to provide a proper roadmap. That's where this course comes in handy. It's not your typical 8 to 10 hour course filled with unnecessary concepts you don't even need to know. Instead, I've compressed into 40 minutes and teach you the exact roadmap for doing advanced compositing with free software. I'll show you the best workflow to composite complex shots using free software at zero cost. All the tricky parts will be simplified and I'll walk you through everything step by step, when, where and how to use specific nodes so that next time you tackle a project on your own, it will be easy and hassle-free. I'll also reveal a lot of secret tips on how I composite my 3D shots, so if you're interested, check the link in the description to save yourself from unnecessary hassle. It took me years to learn this, but now it's your turn to bypass all that time and become the absolute best in just a fraction of time. And that's it for the trailer. I will see you in the course. Check the link of the course in the description.